Hello, good morning and good evening. Ito po si Rizal. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Mga taga Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Balita po para sa inyo.
From the two already filed impeachment complaint is that these priests, these lawyers believe that with what transpired and with what the public saw during the committee hearings, it's no longer just the legal and constitutional obligation of the members of the House of Representatives to impeach and for the Senate to remove from office the sitting Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. It has now become their moral obligation to do so. Not only legal, constitutional, it's now their moral duty to do so. Alright? So we'll be giving you a copy of the impeachment complaint. I think you can get a copy from the media. Okay? So that would be all.
Mga 7 kaming pare at ibang mga kasama naming lawyers. We believe VP Sara committed something illegal and something immoral against the Filipino people. For us, thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not bear false witness. Kaya lang po.
Ayun na nga po ng balita, no? Pati yung mga pare po nakikialam. Dapat po, hindi ko naman po nila lahat, no? Ginagalang ko po ang bawat religion po. Pero dapat di po sila nakikialam sa political, political matters na yun. Tatawa lang ako dahil sinabi, you shall not steal, you shall not bear false witness, and you shall not kill. Lahat naman yun parang pumalik lang naman sa kanila yun. You shall not steal, tapos you shall not bear witnesses, false witnesses to your neighbor. Parang bumalik lang sa kanila yung sinabi niya yung sa 10 Commandments. Alam niyo kasi po, may mga tao po kasi nababayaran. May taong mabuti, may taong masama. May pulis na masama, may pulis na mabuti. May paring mabuti, may paring masama. May pastor na masama, may pastor na mabuti. May taong masama, may taong mabuti. Ganun lang po yan Para pong bayad na sila lahat, nasilaw na sa pera. Yun nga po ang agenda nila na abolish si Sara Duterte para hindi po maging siya running for president, manalo sa 2028. Yun po yung bottom line doon. Gusto po nilang papagsakin si Sara Duterte para mawala yung tinik sa kanila. Yun lang po. God bless po sa inyong lahat at ingat po kayo.